Ngayon po, nag-ano lang kami, nag-rest lang kami for a while after the game. And then later, we'll try to watch the game of yung Vietnam so that we can learn dun sa game nila and mapag-aralan namin very well kung paano yung play na gagawin namin and yung strategies that we're going to do on our game sa Saturday.
Hindi ba mas mabigat yung pressure? Kasi everybody's looking at you or for the team na manalo. So, parang mabigat na po yun.
Sa tingin ko, there's a pressure, pero hindi kami parang for us, it's not a good help para i-pressure mo palalo yung sarili mo. Pressure is there, but our challenge is to turn that pressure para mas ma-inspire kami to play for our country. And yun, siguro, nandun na nga yung pressure na ang dami nakatingin sa amin. Pero siguro ang trabaho namin ngayon ay ma-perform lang namin yung best namin para sa bansa.